Hey there, we are still at the farmer's market, and now we need to find how many apples we need to sell in order to maximize profit. Alright, so what does it mean to maximize profit? Maximize profit means that the profit is going to be the highest value it can possibly be. So going back to our parabola that we had, this was our y-intercept. We did find our zeros, roots, x-intercepts, whatever you call them, and now you want to find the maximum value for profit. Well, our x is our number of apples, and our y is the profit. And if we want to find the maximum profit, we're going to have to find the vertex, because that is the highest point this parabola can be. So, our task is to find the vertex of this equation. So there are several ways to do that. You can rearrange this formula into the vertex form, which is great for finding the vertex. You need to do some completing the square. I'm going to do it the way where you find the x of the vertex and then you find the y of the vertex. The reason I'm doing that is because we already found the zeros. From the previous time, we got a factored version of this equation, which looked like this. And this matches with our understanding of the graph because here we have 2 and here we have 5. Alright, so I would like to find the x value of the vertex. The vertex is right in the middle of the two x-intercepts on the side because as the axis of symmetry goes, the zeros are going to be on the opposite sides. They're going to be the same amount from here and from here. Alright, so we know that the x-intercepts are 2 and 5. So what I will do is I will find the average of them. So the vertex x is going to be 2 plus 5 divided by 2, which gives us 7 over 2, or 3.5. And now that we know that x value of the vertex, we can plug this into here, and from there we'll find y. So let's do that. The vertex y is going to be -6, 3.5 minus 5, 3.5 minus 2. And here from the previous video, I was explaining that you could be, when finding the zeros, just dividing by -6 and out, because it doesn't matter if I divide by -6 and divide this by -6, we will still have a 0 on the side, but then you wouldn't be able to plug into the formula to get. In here, you can, and if you plug in this value into the formula, we are going to get 13.5. which means that the maximum profit that the farmer can get is going to be 13.5. And where that happens is if we sell 3.5 apples. Now that's a little bit funny if we're selling 3.5 apples, but sometimes word problems are like that. I would say that you can answer that you can sell 4 apples, and that would probably be the best thing in order to get the maximum.